Peter Morgan, an unforgettable force in reggae and Jamaican culture, was a deeply beloved figure whose powerful vocals and impactful lyrics resonated with fans worldwide. Part of the legendary Morgan heritage family, Peter was known for his soulful voice, unbreakable family ties, and commitment to the authentic message of reggae. But his life came to a tragic end, sending shockwaves through the music world and leaving fans and fellow musicians heartbroken. Peter's journey with music started early, as he was born into the influential Morgan family, who helped pioneer a unique blend of reggae that mixed roots rhythms with modern sounds and social messages. Together with his siblings in Morgan heritage, Peter captivated audiences with hits like Down by the River, Don't Haffi Dread, and She's Still Loving Me. Known for his deep, resonant voice and emotive performances, he had an uncanny ability to make every listener feel the heart and soul of his music. Morgan heritage's messages of love, unity, and social awareness were brought to life through Peter's unforgettable vocals, making him a beloved figure in reggae communities around the world. However, Peter's life came to a shocking halt, leaving a legacy cut far too short. His cause of death, heart failure, left fans grappling with the suddenness of his passing. Heart issues are unfortunately common, but his loss is a reminder to take health seriously and to remember the importance of self-care, especially in such a high-energy, demanding industry. The news of his passing devastated his family, fans, and the reggae community, who poured out tributes and shared memories of his incredible talent, warm spirit, and dedication to spreading positivity through his music. As one of the key members of Morgan heritage, Peter played an instrumental role in shaping the band's sound and message. Morgan heritage didn't just make reggae music, they brought people together, representing the voices of the Caribbean and beyond. Peter's legacy lives on through the powerful lyrics and timeless songs he left behind. Fans remember him as a man of humility, love, and immense talent who, alongside his family, created some of the most memorable and meaningful reggae music of the past few decades. Peter's passing has left a void in the music world, but his message of unity and peace continues to inspire, reminding fans to cherish every moment and to celebrate the power of music in bringing people together. As we remember his life and contributions, let's honor his legacy by keeping his music alive and continuing to support reggae and its enduring message of positivity. Before we wrap up, if you've enjoyed learning about Peter Morgan and want to keep up with more stories from the world of reggae and beyond, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Help us keep his memory alive by spreading the love of reggae music and staying connected for more insightful, entertaining, and exclusive content. Drop a comment below about your favorite Morgan heritage song, and let's keep the conversation going.